Hey everyone, welcome back to Thousand Islands Toyota, located at 555 Stewart Boulevard in Brockville, Ontario. I'm Rachel, and today I'm going to be showing you the 2019 Toyota RAV4 Limited. This has the midnight black metallic exterior color, and it has 36,500 kilometers on it. It's got a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder engine and puts out 203 horsepower and 184 pound-feet of torque. It's got a 55 liter fuel tank and delivers fuel economy ratings of 8.8 liters per 100 kilometers in the city and 6.7 liters per 100 kilometers on the highway. Let's check out the interior. Alright, here we are on the driver's side. Driver's side door panel has all power windows and locks. Driver's seat memory system. Softex leather seats. On the driver's seat, we have 8-way power adjustments as well as lumbar adjustment controls. The seats are also heated and ventilated. Ventilation is definitely needed for a day like today. Hop on in here. We have a push start button. I'll just move myself back here. Heated leather up steering wheel with Bluetooth and audio controls, as well as the driver's assistant safety sense 2.0 controls. So these are displayed up top here just above the steering wheel on the 7-inch color multi-information display. Closed. And they are back here. Go. Right, moving over. We've got our 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system with your navigation, backup camera. It's also equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as Sirius XM. And moving down, we've got our climate control, our heated and ventilated seat controls. Underneath the dash, we've got our power outlets, auxiliary and USB audio input, and the wireless charging tray. Electronic brake holds, our drive modes, and terrain select options, leather wrap shift knob, dual cup holders, and center console storage compartment, the sliding removable, clearly removable tray, and 2 USB charging ports. Passenger side door panel also has power locks and windows, and there is a cubby right here above the glove compartment. Looking up, we've got our power slide and tilt moonroof. Beautiful day. And right up top here, above our auto dimming rear view mirror, we've got the moonroof controls, the interior lighting controls, and integrated garage door opener, and overhead sunglass compartment. Okay, we're gonna pop back outside. The 2019 Toyota RAV4 Limited has LED daytime running lights, automatic headlamp system, auto high beams, projector style halogen headlamps, windy, 19-inch alloy wheels, front and rear splash guards, foldable power adjustable heated exterior mirrors with integrated signal lamps, silver painted roof rails up top. Coming around back, we have a rear spoiler with the LED stop lamp. As well as the LED rear combination lamps. power lift gate with a kick sensor, opening to plenty of cargo room back here. Seasonal floor mats, small netted cubby to the side with a power outlet, pull-out tonneau cover, and one of 11 JBL speakers for the JBL audio sound system. And over here we have our spare tire in the spare tire kit. Alright, back here our Softex Leather heated seats continue onto the 60/40 split foldable rear seats, pull down center armrest with cup holders, car seat latch hooks underneath the seat, bottom there, more JBL speakers, lots of leg room, ventilation ducts, 2 more USB charging ports, seat pockets, and on our door panels we have the power windows and the heated seat controls. Okay, so that was the previously owned 2019 Toyota RAV4 Limited with all-wheel drive in the midnight black metallic exterior color and 36,500 kilometers on it. Give us a call at 613-342-9111 and one of our product advisors would be happy to get you booked in for a test drive.